Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful wall hanging of jute yarn. So wait till the end. Get more videos like this. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of my videos first.
To make this beautiful wall hanging, I use jute yarn, which in Bengali we called shuduli dori. And glue, here I use Fevicol and a crochet of 5 mm. A scissor, and I use this type of sham beads. Look, and I use a cardboard. This is all I needed. So friends, to make this wall hanging, I will first make two types of flower. And this is the one type of flower, and this is the other type of flower I made before.
How to make these beautiful flowers I have already given in my previous videos. Here I only need 4 flowers these types and these types of 2.
Here I use these types of leaves rows of 2. How to make these leaves pattern, you can check my previous video. Here I use 8 pieces of cardboard. First 4 pieces are 3 and 20 centimeter, and the other 4 pieces are 3 and 24.5 centimeter.
Tassel making I have shown in my previous video.
adjust the glue more securely, first cover it with a plastic and put a pillow on it. After 30 minutes, remove them. I paste paper on every corner to secure the wall hanging is almost ready.